How do you know we're even in it?
We are.
Okay.
Because it's pretty wide. It's a wide lens. Anyway, welcome to OLOPRV. We're the Wagners.
I'm Curtis.
Jonathan.
And we're here to tell you about our trip.
And don't forget to subscribe if you like our content. It has been a minute since we put out a video. It's just we've been so busy in signal lacking of and motivation and a couple other things, but we have a lot going on. But
yes,
we are ready to post today, so
yay!
Yay! What do you think about the Devil's Fall?
I'm not sure why we drove this far. We'll see.
Oh wow, I like this. Wow, that's deep. And that's what she said. Somebody's panties are right there. Somebody's panties are right there.
The pants. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, this is very interesting. I don't see where they get the Devil's Falls out of this though. It's pretty. It sounds a lot of sound from that because of the echoes.
Climbing down the mountain, tried to kill himself, but other than that, it was fun.
Oh yeah, we had a good time. It was
had a great time.
It was actually a pathway down there. It wasn't. Yeah, it was like just rocks and everything, so it wasn't bad.
You're being dramatic. We have to have drama.
Oh, that was drama, y'all. Insert drama.
Insert drama. But yeah, he went down there and it was really cool. I got some good shots of him down there, and and it was well worth the trip. It's about 10 miles or 15 miles other way.
I actually wish we would have stayed there longer. Oh, look how cute the baby waterfall is. It's really pretty though, I ain't gonna lie. I like the scenic.
Are you really? I'm videoing. You said you wanted to go skinny dipping. That's probably your best place. You said you wanted to go skinny dipping. That's probably the best place.
Very babbling book.
Here.
It is also quietly, peacefully trickling down the road. thing that they
Yes.
told us to go to. So I was like, it was an art museum, right?
An American artist, and he does mostly North American artwork. Lots of animals at first, and then he got into people and structures and stuff. And
It was really amazing. Like, they had thousands and thousands of pieces of his artwork there in this huge museum, and you'll see it in the video.
Just his artwork, and it's 3 floors of artwork, and then they have a 4th floor for administration and stuff. But it's a beautiful complex.
Fields is the ice cream that his wife owned, so it wasn't an ice cream fetish. Okay, he had an ice cream fetish, probably.
He loved ice cream, obviously, because he married the girl that owned her family owned the ice cream place. So. But they lived until they both died, so they would live together. You know what I mean? They had a happy marriage and a couple kids. And...
Yeah, everybody lives till they dies. It was just funny the way you said it.
I'm a little nervous with that camera so close to my face.
Oh, shut up. I'm not going to hit you with it.
Okay.
Anyway, so he had a whole room of this designated to just...
Theater.
His theater room was completely designated to ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
And
Ice cream
making...
churns and all their...
Yeah.
I think that business was in business 60 years or something, and they had ton of swag from that company.
Yeah, that was a lot of stuff, and all the mixers, and they even had like a root beer bar outside, so you could do your
amazing bar, yeah.
shakes with the
Ice
root
cream
beer.
shake bar.
Yeah. Terry Redlin has a whole room designated to his ice cream scoops. I don't think it's an ice cream fetish, whatever.
That's what this is.
This is an ice cream fetish. We have a lot of the same stuff. Like we have this right here. We have that green cup and the orange cup and that, I forgot what you call the brown color. Anyway, that was really quite different. We didn't want to show too much of his artwork because you just have to go see it because it's one of those things. But there was one part of it, and I still get goosebumps now. And we cried there. And, I'm almost tearing up now.
Yep.
It was really
it was a series
special.
about his best friend from high school, well, from his youth, that they stayed friends through life until he was killed in war.
He was killed, yeah, and it had all the milestones of his life. When he was born and his first birthday, and I don't know, when he went off to war and when he came back, and then when he died. It was pretty amazing. So
you crying now?
I'm crying now. It was really good, and
I've never cried at an art
I
studio.
do not get worked up about art at all in any way because I don't know art and I don't care about art that much. But this really touched me. So if somebody doesn't like art, you will love this museum for sure.
Right.
So enough of that because I don't want to cry
And
on
it's free.
TV. So it is free. It is free. So enough talking about that sad stuff. It was really, really, really touching and very moving, the whole entire thing. So go see that Terry Redlin's museum. Then we went to the Sandy Shore Recreation Center, and there was set up. It was really touching, darn it.
I know. You're such a wuss.
I am.
It's all
Whatever.
about me, but anyway.
That was a special place.
Yes.
I don't want to hear you. I don't want to hear you.
So right down the street, probably 5 miles, is this Sandy Shore State Park. And literally on the shore, it's not much sand, it's rock. But It was very nice. We actually stayed an extra day.
We stayed 2 days, I think. We stayed a lot longer than we anticipated, for sure, because we were
stayed an extra
struggling because we had so much sinus problems.
Right.
And so we just took a couple days off of everything just to relax. So we did. We didn't show too much about it, but it was a really beautiful place. Sandy Shore Recreation Center. What are you doing, Curtis? Nothing.
Filming you.
I'm filming you, filming me.
You filming me.
And then Harvest Host, we stayed at a Harvest Host, and that was great. Of course, I love Harvest Host areas, and it was I can't say French. You do it.
L'Etoile du Nord, the North Star.
Yep.
Nice people, beautiful view.
It was overlooking a beautiful lake right there.
It was really nice, high up on a cliff. Lots of people in their boats and jet skis are having a good time.
Hey y'all, we're at Curtis.
Well,
Speak French for me.
L'Etoile du Nord,
Cheers.
the North Star. We ended up meeting another couple from there.
Yeah, that's the Diskies.
It's the Diskies, yes.
Yeah, and we love them, and then we'll talk more about them later because we're really.
We might meet up with them sometime later.
We had a really good time, and we love them. And the one thing about this trip is the people you meet on the road you're going to be your lifetime friends, and you're going to meet up with each other, and you're not following each other, but it seems like y'all are following each other in some ways. So it's pretty freaking amazing.
Yes.
The lifestyle of travel or the schooly life, or
doesn't necessarily be schooly,
No.
but RV schooly. It's kind of all the same.
we like everybody, so if you travel in any way, we like you and we love you and we can't wait to run into you.
There you go.
So other than that, this is I hope you enjoyed today's videos, and until next time, don't forget to
Like,
subscribe,
share,
and hit that bell notification.
bing.
Bing.